it was really the most destructive blast in the Czech Republic in the last few years. There was really a powerful explosion, and now I am standing in front of National Theatre. We have to say that the explosion occurred near the National Theatre, near the Divadelní Street, which is the street really situated in the city center. It is full of tourists, full of offices, and the blast occurred in the building where an art gallery is situated and some offices from traveling area. So that's the actual information about the place where it occurred.
Now, this explosion, it took place near the National Theatre there in Prague. Can you give us an update about the casualty count? How many people were injured as a result of this explosion? And if there is rubble, could there be people trapped in the rubble?
Okay, so according to last information, up to 35 people were injured, one of them seriously, but in most cases there are bruises and cuts from glass. But of course there are fears that maybe 3 people are still buried in the rubble. So rescuers are working in the area, which is strictly closed, and we have to wait for another information.
Now, I know that state media has been saying that this explosion is believed to have been caused by a gas leak. Are you smelling gas in the area? Did eyewitnesses smell gas in the area before the blast?
Okay, so I have to say that I don't feel a gas, but according to investigation, it's true that maybe it was caused by natural gas, but I cannot smell it now.